How to tie a furoshiki in an alternate style of bin Tsutsumi. This method is great for cylindrical objects shorter than a standard wine bottle. First, choose your furoshiki. This one is our White Tulip print. Place it printed side down and turn it on a diagonal. Place your object in the center and fold the bottom corner over it and tuck it under. Fold the top corner over towards you. Take the two remaining corners, wrap them around the bottle and cross them, joining them at the front, and make a bow.